Hi. In this video, we would like to showcase why Simply Book Me is the perfect platform for beauty and wellness services. You can accept online bookings from your own website and client app, as well as Facebook, Instagram, our booking page directory, and Google My Business. Our marketing and client communication features will help you retain current clients and attract new ones using coupons and gift cards, products and add-ons, client reviews, and more. You can reduce no-shows by accepting payments and deposits during booking and sending out automatic booking confirmations and reminders to your clients. Stay on top of your business by managing bookings on the go using our mobile app, dashboard stats, and insightful reports. Don't just take our word for it. Have a look at hundreds of reviews from our clients on sites like Capterra and Trustpilot. Simply Book Me is a great fit for your business.